Welcome to the Life Cycle Cost Analysis Tool training. My name is Melina Messerl and I was the 2012-2013 fiscal year Provost Sustainability Intern for the Green Purchasing Working Group and Procurement Services at UCSC. In this training, I will be educating you on the definition of a product's life cycle cost and introducing you to the Life Cycle Cost Analysis Tool, which I developed for my year-long internship with UCSC's Green Purchasing. I hope you enjoy! This slide will be a visual representation of a generic product's life cycle. Every product begins somewhere. The materials are extracted from the earth and then are processed in a facility. Those materials are then shipped to be assembled by the manufacturers, who then sell the product to the supplier, who sells the product to the consumer, who takes the product home and uses it until the product's life comes to an end. Then the product is either sent to the landfill or recycled back into its life cycle. For this tool, we have omitted the stages raw material extraction, processing, and manufacturing and assembly, because the buyers at UCSC do not know or have access to most of the information about products for those three stages. In other words, a buyer will not know how many trees it took to create one Staples No. 2 pencil. Thus, the four stages this tool will focus on are supplier, product use, disposal, and of course transportation, which is in between every stage of a product's life. It is still very important to keep in mind the stages that may not be included in the tool, because in every stage of a product's life, water and other resources are overused and pollutants are emitted into the atmosphere, contributing greatly to climate change. This is why we have created this tool, to educate you on how products that have a smaller life cycle cost are the products we should be purchasing for our college campus. Hopefully now you are understanding the definition of a product's life cycle cost. This is just one more example of a product's life cycle. Here we have the life cycle of an Apple computer. On the Apple website, you can learn more about the environmental costs that come out of the life cycles of all Apple products. It is wonderful to see a company as big as Apple educating its consumers on the importance of keeping products' life cycle cost as low as possible. That concludes the Life Cycle Cost Analysis training. UCSC is currently improving the tool and implementing it into their purchasing system so that buyers can use the tool when purchasing products for the campus. Look out for the UCSC LCCA tool soon, and thank you so much for listening.